Ladies and gentlemen, good day, and welcome to the Q4 and FY25 earnings conference call of Ashauri Gold Ornament Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then zero on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference call is recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Harshil Ghanshyani from Kirin Advisors. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Yes. Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Ashauri Gold Ornament Limited. From the management team, we have Mr. Jitendra Kumar Soni, Joint Managing Director, Mr. Janik Soni, Chief Executive Officer. Now I hand over the call to Mr. Jitendra Kumar Soni. Over to you, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून सभी को। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आशापुरी गोल्ड ऑर्नामेंट की पहली अर्निंग कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल में। आप सब के साथ जुड़कर मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है और मैंने आपका दिल से भी आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। ये कॉल सिर्फ एक क्वार्टरली फाइनेंशियल अपडेट नहीं है, ये हमारी ग्रोथ जर्नी, स्ट्रेटेजिक डायरेक्शन और फ्यूचर विजन का एक उत्सव है। ये हमारे इन्वेस्टर और एनालिस्ट के साथ एक ट्रांसपेरेंट और लॉन्ग टर्म संवाद की शुरुआत है, जिसे हम आगे भी गहराई से जारी रखना चाहेंगे। जैनिक, you can overview the company, please.
Okay. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the entire team at Ashauri Gold Ornament, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you for joining our first ever earnings conference call. It's a moment of pride and purpose for us to be addressing you today as a public company with a strong vision, clear strategy, and growing confidence in our journey ahead. So, those who do not know our story, I would briefly like to explain our background as it's our maiden earnings call. So, Ashauri Gold Ornament Limited was founded in 1997 and incorporated in 2008. We are based out of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, with a rich legacy. Our gold has emerged as one of India's most trusted names in antique gold jewelry manufacturing. The company serves a wide spectrum of jewelers from metropolitan cities to fastest growing urban centers, Tier 1, Tier 2, and promising Tier 3 cities as well. Anchored by the innovation and strong customer-centric philosophy, Ashauri Gold operates with state-of-the-art manufacturing infrastructure with over 25,000 plus unique designs and more than 200 skilled artisans. The company invites the jewelers across the globe to be a part of India's premier B2B jewelry hub, where legacy meets contemporary design and tradition is always in the base of the company. Now I would like to give you some operational insights and I would like to explain our business model. So basically I would keep it simple in 4 different parts. Who are we, what we offer, whom do we serve, and how do we make money. So the step-by-step process is that we are a manufacturer of antique jewelry. We do not do any kind of trading. We have our in-house department and concept design department. So first point is when we make a new design and concept and collections, then we manufacture it. After manufacturing it, we do a collection launch. We launch at ISS exhibitions. We do private previews, and we have our sales teams who caters to wide range of cities and customers across India. After launching the collection, we take orders from national chains and regional chains across India. Then we do production and dispatch, and that's how our business model and sales cycle are. Product types are generally the bridal jewelry category, which focuses on festive and occasion sales. It includes of mainly antique gold jewelry, which has SKUs like choker, bangles, long necklace, short necklace, earrings, etc. We serve to, again, large format retailers, regional jewelry stores across north, south, and central part of India. And we always participate in all the big trade shows in India like IHS, GJS, and PMIs. So that's basically the business structure model. And I would like our MD, Mr. Jitendra Soni, to give you some financial performance of last year for year ending 24-25.
थैंक यू जेनिक सोनी। अब मैं आपके साथ कुछ की फाइनेंशियल हाईलाइट शेयर करना चाहता हूं। FY25 में हमारी टोटल इनकम 317.41 करोड़ रही है, 317.41 करोड़, जो कि FY24 के मुकाबले FY24 में 166.86 करोड़ थी, जो इंडिकेट 90.23% का ग्रोथ इंडिकेट करता है इन टॉप रेवेन्यू। एबिटा जो हमारा रहा है वो 17.23 करोड़ रहा है, जो कि 47.81 का सालाना वृद्धि इंडिकेट करता है। पैट हमारा प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स FY25 के लिए 12.04 करोड़ तक पहुंच गया है, जो FY24 का 7.67 करोड़ के मुकाबले 56.77% का ग्रोथ उसमें इंडिकेट कर रहा है इन पैट। EPS हमारा 0.3 से बढ़कर 0.38 हो गया है, जो 26.67% ईयर ऑन ईयर का इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखा रहा है। Q4 में जो रेवेन्यू बुक हुआ है वो 84.53 करोड़ रहा है, जो कि फाइनेंशियल ईयर अगले लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर 24 का 51.94 करोड़ था, जिसमें भी 63% का जंप हुआ है। एबिटा हमारा 4.68 करोड़ रहा है और पैट हमारा इस क्वार्टर में 0.8 करोड़ रहा है। ये नंबर्स हमारे बिजनेस फंडामेंटल्स, मार्केट ट्रांजैक्शन और ऑपरेटिंग मॉडल का स्केलेबिलिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग तरीके से रिफ्लेक्ट करता है। हमारा जो आगे का विजन है, इसको आगे देखते हुए हमारा फोकस सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ और स्टेक होल्डर वैल्यू क्रिएशन पर बनाना रहेगा। हम डिजाइन इनोवेशन में और ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ऑटोमेशन को स्केल कर रहे हैं और भारत के तेजी से बढ़ते ज्वेलरी मार्केट में अपनी पहुंच गहरी कर रहे हैं। हमारी ग्रोथ की सोच सिर्फ टॉप लाइन तक सीमित नहीं है, हम एक एलिट, रेसिडेंट और फ्यूचर रेडी ज्वेलरी बिजनेस बनाना चाहते हैं। हम अपने डिजिटल B2B प्लेटफॉर्म को भी मजबूत कर रहे हैं, वर्किंग कैपिटल एफिशिएंसी को इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं और ESG, एनवायरमेंटल सोशल गवर्नेंस प्रिंसिपल को ऑपरेशन में इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं। अंत में मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि FY25 आशापुरी के लिए एक डिफाइन ईयर रहा। हम अपनी अचीवमेंट पर गर्व करते हैं और हमें आगे के सफर के लिए और भी एक्साइटमेंट है। पूरा मैनेजमेंट टीम की तरफ से मैं हमारे सभी एम्प्लॉइज, चैनल पार्टनर, क्लाइंट और आप सभी शेयर होल्डर का दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं, जो हम पर लगातार अपना भरोसा बनाए हुए हैं। अब मैं आप सभी को प्रश्नों के लिए फ्लोर ओपन करता हूं। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
I would like to add a few more metrics for the last year in the con call. So the metrics I would like to give is the 2023 से 2024 के ईयर में हम लोग ने ओवरऑल 440 kgs का गोल्ड ज्वेलरी सेल किया था। एज अ ज्वेलरी मैन्युफैक्चर कंपनी we analyze our data in kgs. So ईयर ऑन ईयर हमारा 61% ऑफ वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ है। कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन के टर्म्स में बात करूं तो करेंटली जैसे राइट्स इश्यू के बाद कंपनी ने वर्किंग कैपिटल में फोकस किया था, तो हमारा इन्वेंट्री काफी अच्छे बेस के ऊपर है। जो ग्रोथ आपको दिख रहा है वो हमारा नई इन्वेंट्री के बेस से हुआ है। करेंटली आशापुरी गोल्ड के पास टोटल 1.5 टन की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ज्वेलरी कैपेसिटी की स्पेस हमने लेके रखी है और अभी हम लोग 500 kg पर ईयर का प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी का हमारे पास आर्टिजन्स, मशीनरी और सेटलमेंट सब है। 2023-24 में हम लोग ने 40% यूटिलाइजेशन पे थे 500 kg की, और अभी जो लास्ट ईयर हमने क्लोज किया उसमें हमने हमारी प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी की 93% यूटिलाइजेशन सक्सेसफुली क्लोज कर दी है। और होपफुली वी आर प्लानिंग टू एक्सपांड आवर प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी in next 2 to 3 months. So you will see the difference. Currently, Ashapuri Gold is present in over 15 to 16 regional and national chains and 250 plus big box clients pan India. When we add the showroom count of all the clients, it's about 2,000 showrooms in which our jewelries are present across India. I would like to say we have four different types of jewelry collections which caters to all the different cultural preferences and segments across India, naming Arzish, Mine, Kavish, and Anaya. As you see, the increase in profitability margin is कि हमने लास्ट 2 क्वार्टर में हाई मार्जिन प्रोडक्ट का इंट्रोडक्शन किया है, जिसमें अनया कलेक्शन जिसमें हम लोग पोल्की एंड डायमंड ज्वेलरी के अंदर डाइवर्सिफाई कर रहे हैं और वो जो कलेक्शन है वो पैन इंडिया को केटर करेगा. एंड वी हैव काविश कलेक्शन विच इज फोकस्ड ऑन टेम्पल एंटीक ज्वेलरी. वो साउथ इंडिया के लिए कलेक्शन है which will be a supply model from our Bangalore setup to all the 5 states of South. And we have Arzish and Mine collection, which focuses on lightweight antique jewelry, and it will be for North India. As we see the rising gold prices and the other all the big retail chains call, they are very much bullish and focusing on lightweight jewelry concepts. And according to them and their figures, we are also very much aligned with their requirements and focusing on upcoming with the lightweight jewelry collection in the upcoming exhibitions. So I am very much confident we will have a very good amount of sales figure closed. And I would like to just close by for the last exhibitions, if you have seen in IHS Signature, we have closed around 48 crores of sales order, and in IHS Tritya, we close around 21 crore of the orders. At the closing, I would like to say Ashapuri is not just a jewelry company. We are a timeless legacy working every day to convert the tradition and actual demand of the market into the sales numbers. Thank you once again for joining us. With that, I will now hand over the call for question and answers to all of our present in the call. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Aditi Roy from Patel Advisors. Please go ahead.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. My question is, can you please provide the insights into your manufacturing capabilities and how the company ensures consistent quality and craftsmanship in every piece?
So Aditi, welcome to our phone call. I would like to answer your question. So for the manufacturing capacity, I would like to just give you some basic insights. In Indian retail jewelry space, there is 60% of the jewelry players which are on organized side. And when we see is the organized manufacturing of jewelry in India is only around 11%. And we fall under the organized manufacturing player with all the SOPs, departmentalized system, good set of customized ERP, and overall an average 10 years of experience team members we have, and the overall 50 years plus experience of board of directors. With all the things in place, we focus on giving the right manufacturing capabilities and right demand, what does the market needs.
Sir, I have one last question. How are you leveraging technology to improve operations, inventory management, or customer engagement?
We have digital tools for that.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Priya Jain, an individual investor. Please go ahead. Miss Priya, your line is unmuted. You can ask your question.
Hi, sir. So I have a couple of questions with me. The first one is the growing awareness around sustainability and ethical sourcing. How is Ashauri addressing responsible business practice in the gold and ornament space?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, sir. With growing awareness, around sustainability and ethical sourcing. So how Ashauri is addressing this responsibility of being ethical in a business practice around gold and ornament space?
Ethical.
Yeah. Sir, you would like to go with it?
No, you can.
Okay. So for the ethical gold jewelry source, we have all the vendor partners very much confirm and fundamental that from where do they source their gold. It should be built, it should be likely imported also. And we are the qualified jewelers by IIBX. So according to their criteria, when a jeweler is qualified in under all terms of sustainability and ethical thing, then only they can become a qualified jeweler and directly import gold under SEPA agreement. So through that, we follow the ethical practices.
So my next question is on brand visibility. Like, what are the key initiatives are underway to strengthen the brand visibility of Ashauri?
We are a B2B company. So we are a B2B company, madam. तो B2B में as such brand का positioning का क्या आप समझना चाहते हैं?
Even in B2B, it's not easy to get time. So certain trust level is built there to get B2B business also. So I want to understand that how you are catching to these clients and this business.
So now for the trust factor, we are present in all over the markets and participate in all the exhibitions and shows. And we are working with over 15 years to all the big chains and corporates in India. And through our work, our designs, and our clear jewelry concepts, the trust is formed in the B2B space. So B2B space is not like the retail one where the scope is so broader. It's so narrow. All the clients very well know us and they know how do we work in the markets.
So also, do you plan any exhibitions or do you plan to go in that segment? Or in future, can we expect that Ashauri will be a customer-centric business and catering to retail?
No, ma'am, we are very much clear on the manufacturing side and supplying to all the national and regional jewelry chains. We have not plans of any retail presence or supplying directly to the end users.
Fair enough. Good to hear. All the best. Thank you. That's it from my side.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Abhishek Sharma, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So my question is, what is the company's strategy to manage inventory turnover efficiently, especially in premium and custom design categories? Hello.
Yeah. So I would take this question. So for the inventory turnover and for customized designs, we have a very clear guidelines. We have two types of revenue system. One is make to order and one is ready to dispatch stock. So for example, when there are upcoming season, we make capsule collections on manual sketch and present it to our clients. So the filtration and selection process is done beforehand making the physical jewelry. So on that terms, we are very much clear that what we make, manufacture will be delivered. So that's how we manage our inventory. And if you have seen, we have reduced our cash conversion cycle from around 200 to 160 days also. So that's the increase in operational efficiency for us.
Okay. So next question is, Could you elaborate on the company digital or omni-channel strategy to enhance sales and reach younger tech-savvy customers?
Yes, we do follow that omni-channel, but it does not implement not in B2B as it does in retail. Because when a retail or a big box jeweler is sourcing jewelry from us, he or she would prefer to have a physical touch and feel of the jewelry because it's a high value product. So, and we also deal in the bridal category. So the product ranges are around 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs per piece. So the omnichannel part doesn't make much sense here, but we do have our ERP applications and design catalog as well.
Okay. The last question, what are the key levers the company is exploring to improve EBITDA margins in the coming quarters?
Sir, you would like to go with this?
एबिटा मार्जिन को पॉजिटिव रखने के लिए और इसको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ही हम लोगों ने लास्ट 2 साल से वी हैव मोर फोकस ऑन मार्जिन इंक्रीज हाई मार्जिन प्रोडक्ट फोकसिंग एंड प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स. तो दिस ईयर भी हम लोगों ने पोल्की और डायमंड के प्रोडक्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं डिजाइन लैंग्वेज में, जिसमें हाई मार्जिन प्रोडक्ट है और उसको भी हमको मार्केट से बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है. जो बिग बॉक्स जो चेन स्टोर्स है उसमें उनसे भी हमको बहुत अच्छे ऑर्डर्स मिले हैं पोल्की और डायमंड ज्वेलरी में. सो ये सभी स्टेप्स है जहाँ पे हमको आगे अपकमिंग 2-3 साल में एबिटा को और भी हम इसमें इम्प्रूव करेंगे थ्रू आवर हाई मार्जिन प्रोडक्ट.
Okay. Thank you, sir. That's it from my side.
Yeah.
Thank you. We'll take our next question from the line of Mohit Kumar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity, first of all. So, my question is, how is Ashauri managing pricing strategies amid changing gold duties and competition from online first jewelry brands?
मेजरली जो हम जितने भी जो ये जो प्राइसिंग का जो आपने बोला ना उसमें हम लोग हेज करते हैं फॉर सिक्योर आवर प्रॉफिट मार्जिन एंड ये जो वॉलेटिलिटी है प्राइसिंग की उसको सिक्योर करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग द हेजिंग स्ट्रेटेजी. मेजरली वी हैव 2 टाइप ऑफ सेल्स इज वन इज अनफिक्स्ड एंड वन इज फिक्स्ड. When the product sale in unfixed sales, that doesn't impact in our pricing movement. But जब भी हम फिक्स सेल करते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेट बुक करके उसके सामने हम प्राइसिंग और हेज करते हैं, तो इससे हम वॉलेटिलिटी से बच सकते हैं. तो हम लोग प्राइस को सामने हेज कर लेते हैं.
Okay, thank you. So the next question I have is, are there any plans for fundraising or equity dilution to support growth initiatives, acquisitions, or working capital needs in the near future?
अगर फ्यूचर में कुछ ऐसा नीड रहेगा तो उसके बारे में जरूर सोचेंगे. एज सच तो अभी लास्ट ईयर ही हम लोगों ने फंड रेज राउंड खत्म किया है एडिशनल. तो अभी हमारा ऐसा डिसीजन नहीं आया है अभी तक कि भी कुछ फंड रेज करेंगे. हाँ, लेकिन कुछ आगे ऐसा लगा कि भी एकदम से आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स डिमांड है और कहीं पे वर्किंग कैपिटल शॉर्ट हो रही है तो डेफिनेटली गो फॉर फंड रेज.
Oh, okay. Thank you for answering that, sir. Yeah, that's it from my side.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Shreya Verma from Unity Finance. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes.
Sir, I wanted to know what is Ashapuri's current market share in the regions it operates, and how does the company plan to capture a larger share of the organized jewelry market?
Yes, so I would like to take this question. By defining the market share in this industry is a little bit tricky and difficult because it's very much segmented markets. There are lots of types of different jewelry concepts and SKUs in which other players deal. So bringing out the right market share for this industry is pretty much difficult. But you can judge as a company on terms of numbers and volumes that does in the industry under one category. Because there are other players who deal in lightweight jewelry, which is daily wear concept, but we focus on antique jewelry, which is occasion and festive concept. So, and a retailer purchases both types of concepts. So, figuring out market share is difficult in this area.
Okay. And how do you differentiate like from other listed and unlisted players in the antique and traditional jewelry segment?
Yes. So I would like to say that our main value addition on the fundamental basis is design language. From FY23-24 to FY24-25, our design bank increased from 18,000 designs to 25,000 designs. So that's the main value addition for us, where we differentiate. And second is the rapid delivery. And we have a physical stock also. So in terms when the client's urgent needs rises, we can supply them from our stock directly. So that two things are our differentiation from other players in the market.
And what percentage of the company's revenue comes from institutional or bulk orders versus retail customers? Is there any focused strategy to grow either?
Yes. So currently we have our revenue is distributed in two parts. One is national and regional chains, and one is big box clients. So in last year, around 222 crores was generated from corporate clients, and around 94 crores was generated from big box clients.
And has the company explored or implemented export opportunities for its antique or designer jewelry collection? If so, what markets have been targeted?
As of now, for gold, India is a blessing, because now for last 2 years it has become the highest consumption market in the world. Yes, we do have export licenses and we have explored opportunities. We are open to explore, but currently we have very much big opportunity and much more forward-going approach in Indian markets only. So we have a main focus present in domestic markets, supplying and increasing our pocket share in national regional jewelry chains.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I have one last question. Can you provide insights into the company's R&D or design innovation capability, like their dedicated in-house teams or collaboration with external designers?
Yes, for R&D department mainly, we have mentioned in my remarks that we have launched our new collection, Anaya. So we have 4 different collections and a separate design team for each collections. So we have a process of filtering the design from manual sketch to CAD to 3D to sampling to prototype stage to final designs. So that all R&D process is there, and we do have dedicated team for all these things, and that's how the design is created.
Thank you so much for answering. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Satyam, who is an investor. Please go ahead.
Hi team, thanks for the opportunity. My question is, since the management is really confident about the growth prospects, is there any plan to go for increasing the management share via buyback? That is the question.
Sidba, you will go with this?
I just proper not hear understand question.
Okay, so mine is whether the management is planning to increase the stake, because currently the management shareholding is somewhere around 50%. Previously it was closer to 70. So now any plan to increase the percentage as a buyback option?
100%. We close FY23-24 as in terms of kg, we sales 273 kg, and in FY24-25 we sales almost 440 kg. So its growth shows in last year to year 61%, and we are very much hopeful about this year that we close 50 to 60% growth in terms of quantity kg terms. So we majorly analyze our all the meetings, board meetings or target achievement in terms of only in kgs, not in figures. So we are very much hopeful for this year that we close approximately 50 to 60% growth from here.
Okay. And any plan to increase the shareholding from the promoter side?
Yeah, of course. Why not? Whenever we have some opportunity we can increase our shareholding pattern.
But no plan to reduce it, right? Because already we have less than just below 50%. So no plan to reduce, but if in case any opportunity arises, you will increase it.
Just because last year we raised a fund, that's why somehow the shareholding pattern is the promoter shareholding reduced. But when the last year we have just fundraising. So if any chance to shareholder take plus increase, we can increase, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. That's it from my side.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Nitin Verma, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hi, I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So my question is based on your intro that you said that you are trying to venture into diamond as well, and the second thing you said that in the next 2-3 months you are trying to increase the capacity. So regarding those two, in diamond, are you planning to venture into lab-grown diamonds or natural diamonds or both? And regarding the second increase the capacity, how much capacity are you planning to increase from the existing? As currently you are on 93% utilization. So what is the new capacity that you're going to add in the next 2-3 months? These are the two questions.
Yannick?
Yes. So for the capacity utilization, we are on 500 kgs, and we are looking to expand around 50% of 500, around 750 kgs in next 2-3 months. And again, it depends on the market condition. If we got good orders and good response, and we can get up to 1 ton also. And can you come back with your second question, please?
You just mentioned that you are planning to go into diamonds also.
Diamonds,
so,
yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This is two markets are there. There is a lab-grown diamond and natural diamond.
Yes.
So,
okay.
What are your plans?
Okay. So currently, we are doing specific project-based collections for Polki and diamond jewelry, in which the major part of jewelries will be focusing on Polki side. And for the diamond, we are not looking to foray into lab-grown diamonds as of now. We will only dealing in natural diamonds.
Okay. And one more, the current capacity which you have, how much percentage is going to increase on that? I just couldn't collect the number.
50%.
So, if things go well, so in this current year, financial year, will we be able to utilize the whole capacity which we are increasing?
Surely, and we can go over about that also to 100%.
Okay, perfect. That sounds perfect. Thank you. Thanks a lot. That was all from my side. Best of luck.
Okay.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Arvind Jadhav, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
हाँ इस बार में कॉस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल कंपेयर टू सेल्स काफी ज्यादा है. व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन? हेलो.
Sorry. Hello.
हाँ दिस टाइम कॉस्ट ऑफ मटेरियल काफी ज्यादा है कंपेयर टू सेल्स. व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन?
Cost of material cost?
Yes. मटेरियल कॉस्ट ये काफी
इन आवर सर, ये हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट है उसमें मेजरली जो रॉ मटेरियल रहता है वो बुलियन रहता है ना, तो ऐसे भी जो बुलियन का गोल्ड रेट जो हाइक हुआ है लास्ट ईयर में, उसी की वजह से आपको ये ज्यादा दिख रहा है।
राइट। तो इसमें इन्वेंट्री भी काफी ज्यादा है, तो व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन?
Inventory is increased because of fundraise, sir.
इन्वेंट्री इंक्रीज बिकॉज ऑफ फंड रेज?
इन्वेंट्री डेज बोल रहे हैं या क्वांटिटी बोल रहे हैं आप?
नहीं, इन्वेंट्री का जो ये है, मतलब अमाउंट जो है दैट इज 52 करोड़ समथिंग, राइट? तो वो काफी ज्यादा लग रहा है कंपेयर टू सेल्स, तो व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन?
ये आपका क्वेश्चन थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मैं आपको थोड़ा समझ के आपको आंसर दे सकता हूँ बाद में।
नहीं, आपके कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में जो दिखा रहा है 52 करोड़ का इन्वेंट्री दिखा रहा है एंड और सेल्स इज 85 करोड़, तो इतना ज्यादा इन्वेंट्री कैसे है? मतलब
तो वो तो सर, हम तो स्टॉक से भी काम करते हैं ना, हमारा 2 पॉलिसी है ना, हम जो कैपिटल लगा के बैठे उसमें हम स्टॉक से भी काम करते हैं ना, तो वो तो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक में जो इन्वेंटरी तो रहने वाला ही है ना।
अच्छा, तो कंपेयर टू
रेडी स्टॉक भी हम लोग सेल करते हैं और मेक टू ऑर्डर, मतलब ऑर्डर सैंपलिंग से ऑर्डर भी लेते हैं और इन्वेंटरी भी रख के सेल्स करते हैं। वेन एवर द क्लाइंट्स नीड, मतलब जब भी क्लाइंट को रिक्वायरमेंट रहता है कि भाई हमको आज स्टॉक चाहिए, तो हम रेडी स्टॉक में भी उनको डिलीवर करते हैं ना सेल्स, तो इसी वजह से इन्वेंटरी तो रखना ही पड़ेगा सर।
ओके। अच्छा, रिगार्डिंग ये नेक्स्ट ईयर का रेवेन्यू गाइडेंस या एबिटा एंड नेट प्रॉफिट गाइडेंस के ऊपर कुछ क्लैरिटी आएगा कुछ?
जी बिल्कुल आएगा, क्यों नहीं जनिक।
नेक्स्ट ईयर रेवेन्यू गाइडेंस एज ऑलरेडी सर ने मेंशन कर दिया था कि हम लोग ओवर 50% टू 55% इंक्रीज इन क्वांटिटी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं। जो इस साल हमने 440 kg क्रॉस किया, उसके ऊपर हम लोग 50% का इंक्रीज गेन कर रहे हैं। एंड अवर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट एंड नेट प्रॉफिट मार्जिन, आई होप कि आई एम सीइंग इट विल बी रिमेन अराउंड दिस सेम ओनली।
अच्छा, सेम ओनली?
यस,
ओके।
सेम percentage based on the revenue.
Grow based on the revenue growing, the net profit will also growing in terms of 50 to 55%.
Okay, that's good. And who are the competitors? Can you mention one or two names?
It's a segmented industry, sir. Each and everyone has their different design concepts, and each and everyone has their right share of market. So as of now, we don't see anyone as a direct competitor to us, but it's an industry where we can work on our own concept, because the main thing, product, and product is differentiation on terms of designs, and that are different with all the other players.
And what could be the per piece costing of the jewelry? Can you mention that? What is the minimum cost of the per piece? Is there any threshold for that?
That's objective. That depends on various factors like what type of design, what weight range it is, what is the making charge, what are the stones used. So it's objective, sir.
Okay. And last one thing, this time the employee cost is much lower compared to last quarter, means December quarter. So why that much of difference is there? Employee cost compared to December, it is less than 50%.
Yes, sir.
Compared to December, it is less than 50% employee cost.
ओके, पूछोगे? ओके, तो ठीक है सर। ये एम्प्लॉय एक्सपेंस कम क्यों है, आप वो पूछ रहे हैं?
राइट।
तो सर ये तो क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर बेस्ड ऑन अवर आर्टिसन डिमांड सप्लाई दोनों के हिसाब से चलता है ना सर। जब कभी कोई क्वार्टर में हमको आर्टिसन का जो रहता है डिमांड तो हम ज्यादा आर्टिसन रख देते हैं और डिमांड कम होता है तो कम आर्टिसन रखते हैं। उसकी वजह से आपको क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर उसमें वेरिएशन रहेगा।
Because compared to last quarter sales was 101 crore and the employee benefit was 2.74 crore and this time sales is 84 crore and employee benefit is just 1.28 crore. So it's
बट सर आप इसको क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर देखेंगे, लेकिन आप ईयर ऑन ईयर देखेंगे तो उसमें तो ऑलमोस्ट डबल ही हुआ है।
राइट, दैट इज सेल्स के साथ ही बढ़ा है वो तो करेक्ट है।
हाँ, मतलब वही बात है कि सेल्स के साथ वो एम्प्लॉय एक्सपेंस आप ईयर ऑन ईयर कंपेयर करेंगे तो वो बढ़ा ही है, लेकिन आप क्यू ऑन क्यू करेंगे तो समहाउ उसमें तो डिमांड सप्लाई का, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि पर्टिकुलर क्वार्टर में जैसे हमारा जो मेन ब्राइडल कैटेगरी है तो वेडिंग सीजन के टाइम पे हम लोग को ज्यादा मेन फोर्स का वो सब रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो हम उस टाइम पे कारीगर वगैरह जो रहते वो ज्यादा हायर कर लेते हैं।
ओके, एंड वो हमारे ज्वेलरी ना?
यस सर, मैं स्टडेड एंटीक ज्वेलरी, यस।
ओके, थैंक यू सर, दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड।
ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Abhinav Kajuria, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hey, thank you for the opportunity, sir. Firstly, congratulations sir for the good numbers. So, sir, मेरी कुछ basic questions हैं. So, first, like whatever हमारे client phone है जो भी particularly जो ongoing current quarter में add on हुए हैं, onboard हुए हैं, और बेसिकली मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्लाइंट किस पे चल रहा है। राइट, रिसेंटली हमें ऑर्डर्स मिले थे जैसे मालाबार, जैसे टाइटन, दैट ऑर्डर कंटिन्यूस मंथली बेसिस पे फ्लो होते हैं या वन टाइम ऑर्डर्स रहते हैं, वी गिव द सप्लाई टू देम एंड वी गेट द कैश?
इसमें 2-3 प्रकार से ये ऑर्डर जनरेट होता है। एक तो स्पेसिफिक इवेंट रहता है, जैसे एग्जीबिशन रहता है, पर्टिकुलर एग्जीबिशन साल में 2-3-4 एग्जीबिशन रहता है हमारे इंडस्ट्री में, वहां से ही एक तो ऑर्डर बुक होते हैं अपकमिंग सीजन के लिए बिफोर, और एक होता है कि हमारे एंड से हम नए कलेक्शन जो बनाते हैं वो कलेक्शन के रिगार्डिंग भी हम उनको, जब भी नई सैंपलिंग लाइन हमारी होती है उससे भी हमारे ऑर्डर बुक्स होते हैं। और तीसरा होता है कि भाई अर्जेंट डिमांड, जैसे कभी पार्टी जो जितने भी क्लाइंट्स रहते हैं उन्होंने जो भी सैंपलिंग के थ्रू या एग्जीबिशन के थ्रू ऑर्डर्स तो दिए, उसका तो प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट रहता ही है। और जैसे उनकी कुछ रिफिलिंग सिस्टम भी रहती है, जैसे उनके पास से कुछ भी डेली टू डेली में रिफिलिंग सिस्टम से भी हमारे पास उनके ईआरपी या उनके ओएमएस से ऑर्डर आ जाते हैं। तो ये 2-3 प्रकार से भी ऑर्डर हम कंप्लीट करते हैं। और एक होता है कि भी अर्जेंट डिमांड, जैसे भी आज उनको अर्जेंट डिमांड है किसी प्रोडक्ट की तो हमारे पास वो रेडी स्टॉक भी सिलेक्ट करते हैं। इस प्रकार से ईच एंड एवरी क्लाइंट के मोड ऑफ सेल्स में इस प्रकार से कंटिन्यूटी रहती है। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये ऑर्डर सिर्फ वन टाइम या वन इवेंट के थ्रू आया। ऑर्डर साइकिल जो रहती है एक तो कलेक्शन बेस पे रहते हैं, एक इवेंट बेस पे रहती है, वेडिंग सीजन के बिफोर में रहता है, और देन आफ्टर उनके रिफिलिंग स्टॉक रिफिलिंग सिस्टम से भी हमको ओएमएस से भी ऑर्डर मिल जाते हैं।
जी सर, थैंक यू सर। एक और क्वेश्चन सर, जैसे अदर कंप्यूटर लाइक आई वुड आपका कंप्यूटर है तो उनके पास लाइक आई गॉट टू नो लाइक उनको मिलता है कि एडवांस लोन कस्टमर्स देते हैं और वो ज्यादा चार्जेस मीन्स प्रॉफिट जो ग्रॉस मार्जिन उनके ऐड होता है क्योंकि वो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जितने भी मतलब मेकिंग चार्जेस है उनको बेटर मिलते हैं प्रॉफिट। तो आपके कुछ ऐसा मतलब आपको कुछ एडवांस लोन कस्टमर्स देते हैं और देन यू आप उससे मेकिंग चार्जेस अप्लाई करते हैं और अपने डिजाइन सेल करते हैं, वैसा कुछ?
देयर आर हमारे पास है कुछ क्लाइंट जो हमको एडवांस गोल्ड देते हैं और हम उनके लिए जॉब वर्क करते हैं।
ओके सर, एनी गाइडेंस लाइक अपकमिंग 2-3 years तो हम यहाँ से कहाँ जाने जाते हैं, लाइक अभी टॉप अप और बॉटम लाइन और पैड के मार्जिन से क्या रहने वाले हैं अपकमिंग के मार्जिन?
देखिए, वी आर वेरी मच होपफुल। जो लास्ट 23-24 से जो ग्रो किया है हम लोगों ने, फ्रॉम इतना सब अनसर्टेनिटी होने के बाद भी, इतना गोल्ड प्राइस लास्ट ईयर में हिट होने के बाद भी हम लोगों ने जो क्वांटिटी पे 61% का ग्रो किया है ईयर ऑन ईयर, 273 से 440, उसी में हम लोग अभी इस साल भी जो हमारे पास जो भी क्लाइंट ऑन बोर्ड हुए नए 10 स्टोर नेशनल 10 स्टोर है और उनकी जो भी कॉन कॉल में जो उनकी स्पीच है दे आर वेरी मच बुलिश ऑन ज्वेलरी. तो ऑलमोस्ट हम भी वही 50 to 60% का ग्रोथ इस साल अचीव आराम से कर लेंगे.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Suruchi Parmar from NX Wealth Management. Please go ahead.
Hello. Thank you for the opportunity. Sir, just wanted to know जो अभी Northeast expansion you are talking about, you have given insight on Northeast expansion. Any onboarding of any client you have done?
Janik.
Yes, for the Northeast, we have onboarded 2 regional chains as of now, and we are also currently seeing the product market fit and observing all the business model structure is fitting there or not. But we have onboarded 2 regional chains from Northeast.
So these are towards your new focused product AMEA or your other products?
No, it's for our mainland existing collections, which is mine and Kavish.
Okay.
Which is lightweight and jewelry.
Lightweight and okay, fine. And so going forward, what do you think? Like looking at the northeastern market, what feel like the heavy jewelry and or diamond one will you can grab the market there, or what do you feel?
We are still in the observation process. We'll for one more quarter we'll see, and then we'll finally come out of the outcome set. How does the market work there?
So the 2 chains you are talking about, you have onboarded, is the customers are, or the client is the same which you have already worked in the other regions, or it's the new ones?
No. They are based out of headquartered in Northeast only.
Okay. And can you name your top 5 clients from whom the revenue percentage comes majorly?
So we do majorly deal in national and regional jewelry chains, and which is by default you will know the few limited corporates in the market which we deal with.
Okay. Can you name any 3 clients, your top 3 clients?
You will get to know from our numbers only. I would not like to specifically mention any client's name as of now.
Okay. And what is the percentage of your repeat clients?
So currently top 10 customers contribute over 48% of our revenue. So, and they are constantly repeat with 2 or 3 times of dealing per month. And on the 2-3 different channels which were already mentioned is order based, event based, in exhibitions. So there is a good amount of repeat we get from our clients.
मेजरली जो भी क्लाइंट ऑन बोर्ड होता है मैडम, वो एवरी ईयर वो कंटिन्यूटी ही रहती है उनकी, उन्हीं के रिपीट ऑर्डर चलते रहते हैं, क्योंकि उनको चाहिए नई डिजाइन जो हम उनको प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सो मेजरली वही रिपीट रहता है, ऐसा है.
Sir, just wanted to know, in your business, is seasonality there? जैसे when you are into going for this some show or something, and there seasonality comes, or नहीं, ये quarter on quarter same business will be there. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, the seasonality don't come on the shows. It comes on quarter basis, because when it's festive and occasion season, starting from quarter 2 and quarter 3, the quarter numbers are much better. And when quarter 4 and quarter 1 is little bit of a lean period, where we focus on lightweight concept and new innovative designs, which is used for, daily wear concepts and things like that. So we grab sales from our jewelry and inventory management according to the quarters.
Mhm. Okay. So, what is your order book as on date, if you can specify that?
ऑर्डर बुक
Yes.
ऑर्डर बुक ऐसे डिफरेंट क्लाइंट का ओवरऑल ऑर्डर बुक कंटिन्यूटी में रहेगा अभी 20 to 25 CR का कंटिन्यू में ऑर्डर चल रहा है अप्रोक्सीमेटली.
Okay. And sir, like you are talking about revenue growth of 50 to 55% volumes from your right now 440 kg base. So just wanted to know, abhi you have done expansion also. So already you have achieved, I guess, 90 to 93% of your capacity, correct? In 25.
Right.
Yes. So now the whatever revenue growth will be added based on your new capacity, it will be there.
Yes, of course, ma'am. We do have a premises or manufacturing unit जिसमें हम लोग 1.5 टन तक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर सकते हैं. And for increasing our capacity wouldn't be much a task for us. We just need 2 to 3 weeks to set up a floor with skilled artisans, and we can increase our production capacity based on the required demand.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you so much for answering all the questions, and all the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. The next follow-up question is from the line of Aditi Roy from Patel Advisors. Please go ahead. Miss Aditi, your line is unmuted. You can go ahead with your question.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you. My first question is, can you provide insight into the working capital cycle and how it is being optimized amid gold price fluctuations?
तो प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन का तो मैंने आपको जो पहले भी आंसर दिया कि हम लोग प्राइस फ्लक्चुएशन से बचने के लिए या उसको रिस्क को अवॉइड करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग हेज अगेंस्ट अवर फिक्स सेल्स.
ओके सर, और मुझे ये जानना था कि हमारा नेट प्रॉफिट का कुछ गाइडेंस दे सकते हैं नेक्स्ट 2 years के लिए?
सॉरी,
कैन यू प्लीज प्रोवाइड नेट प्रॉफिट गाइडेंस फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 years?
एज आई मेंशन अर्लियर, जैसे अगले साल का हम ग्रोथ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं 50 to 55%, उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली एनपीपी उसी अकॉर्डिंगली बढ़ेगा मैडम.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
जी.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Mahesh, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. So, my first question is that, can you elaborate on the lead times from design to final product delivery? And how are you improving operational efficiency in this area?
Okay. So generally lead time depends on the type of jewelry we do manufacture. So there are total 4 different collections in which we deal. For traditional antique jewelry, it's all handmade antique jewelry, which are focused on. So it takes around 20 to 25 days of lead time from manual sketch to final product for antique jewelry. And for temple jewelry, it takes around 18 to 20 days to convert it into from sketch to final. And for again polki and diamond jewelry, it's similar time to our earliest collection, around 3 weeks. And for the operational efficiency question, I would like to say that we are also focusing on specific tailored collection for the clients, in which we do get orders based on the new design concepts and sampling photos for them, and by which we do not have to make our mainline stock, and that's how we increase our inventory cycle.
Okay, got it. And my next question is that what is the current capacity utilization at your production facility? And are there plans for the capacity expansion in the near term?
Yes, I have already mentioned that before. So currently, we have 500 kgs of production capacity. We are planning to increase around 50% in next 2 to 3 months. And if we can see the good demand, we can mostly double it also in this year.
Okay, so doubling it in this year. Okay, got it. Thank you. Thank you for answering.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as there are no further questions from the participants, I now hand the conference over to Mr. Harshil Ghanshyani for closing comments.
Yes, sir. Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Ashauri Gold Ornament Limited. If you have any queries, you can write us at research@kirinadvisors.com. Once again, thank you everyone for joining the conference call.
Thank you. On behalf of Ashauri Gold Ornament Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.
Thank you so much.